Greetings friends, welcome. Today we're looking at asynchronous code versus synchronous code, and specifically in a context of the web and JavaScript. JavaScript is asynchronous and it's very well suited to working with websites. Right, let's jump. Well, before we jump in though, if you find yourself enjoying the video, feel free to click that subscribe below, change the alert icon to all, and you'll get updates for future videos. But let's have a look at what synchronous code is at the moment. So synchronous, it's going to happen one step after the other. You're going to wait until the last step has completed. So looking at this code here, these values here, I've got some external work and I've got some other external work, and they both take 5 seconds to complete. So if I run this in a synchronous world, it's going to wait 5 seconds for this one to complete. It's not going to wait, it's going to take 5 seconds. When that completes, we're going to run the other external work. So the overall time to run that is 10 seconds because we're waiting for the first step to complete. Now, if that is something external, if it is something outside your application, in terms of the web, you could think of it as a call to retrieve some data from a website or to retrieve some data from a database. Anything that's not related to you request and takes some time. In those scenarios, there's no need for us to wait. We could say, tell me when this is completed and I'll carry on doing the stuff that I need to do at that point. But in the meantime, I want to do other stuff. And so that's called asynchronous code. Now we can change this here to be asynchronous. So we could say result1 equals, and we take away the await. So we're no longer stopping here now until this is completed. We're just going to kick it off, and then we're going to carry on, and we're going to get to this next one, and we're going to kick that off. And then so both of them now happening at the same time. They're happening asynchronously. And when this completes, we will hopefully have taken only 5 seconds rather than 10. So we can do a promise.all and wait until res1 and res2 have completed. And in there, say completed. So this syntax is just specific to JavaScript, but if I run this now, we should see rather than task 1 completing 5 seconds, task 2 completing, we get both of them. There you go, both of them coming out after 5 seconds. And so that's it, that's the difference. Rather than doing things step by step, you do them at the same time. Well, you kick them off and you wait until it's completed, and when it has, you can then hook in and carry on. So it feels like you're doing both of these tasks at the same time, but because someone else is doing them, you're just kicking them off, kick them both off, and then wait until they complete. So there you go, that's the difference between asynchronous and synchronous code. If you enjoyed that video, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down if not. Thanks very much for watching, and catch you next time. Bye.